everyone. I hope you all are okay. There are a lot of queries where students are approaching me and asking how's this Canada structures are going to be for online studies, or maybe for the regular studies. How's this Canada arranging the arrangements for the students? So I get a lot of queries every day कि Canada क्या करने वाला है students के लिए, क्या Canada में study permits will be open back, क्या बच्चे वहाँ पे travel कर पाएंगे, will they be able to apply for the visas now at this stage? There are such queries coming to us every day. So I thought to discuss this to everyone by this open channel where everyone can listen to me about this, how these situations are in Canada. Though Canada government has mentioned everything on their websites about this COVID-19 effects and after the pandemics has affected Canada as well as all across the world, how the visas are going to be. So, you know what, there is no denying in the way the situations are really hard in every country so far. Though Canada is the favorite host country for our Indian students, especially the students who belong to Punjab. And the situation right now is the borders are sealed and closed. We all know it. Band hai borders, students ko allow nahi kiya ja raha. Lately, the government in March had allowed some students where somebody had ETA or TRVs in their hands. उनको allow किया गया था कि आप country में enter हो सकते हो. अगर हम अभी का situation के ऊपर बात करें, the situation is same almost now also. They are not entertaining the new profiles. They are not entertaining the new visas. In that ratio, they should be doing it. But I will just discuss about how they are arranging things for students in Canada as well as the students who wish to be in Canada for September intake or for the upcoming intakes. Coming on the first stage where we would discuss about coming to Canada as an international student. How is the international student structure right now, whoever is coming to Canada? I have just mentioned you in March they had allowed some students who already had visas, जिनके पास visas थे उनको travel के लिए allow किया गया था with the special arrangements. But then उसके बाद अब क्या situations रखी जा रही हैं? Any student who has the visas as of now and who has their study permits or ETAs or TRVs right now in their hands, they can enter into Canada borders. उनके लिए कुछ स्पेशल पासेस अरेंज किए जा रहे हैं, स्पेशल ट्रैवल अरेंजमेंट्स किए जाते हैं सो दैट वो उस कंट्री में एंटर हो जाए जिनके पास ऑलरेडी वीजास थे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सिचुएशन फॉर द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हु आर कमिंग टू कैनेडा. ट्रैवलिंग आउटसाइड द कैनेडा, this has been restricted very strictly, that anybody who wants to travel outside the Canada, if it is not the essential services, they are not being allowed to. This is why I think our July-September intakes has gone very low, because no campus could be traveled here. Everybody is doing their programs, deliveries online. This is a new trend now. So the government has even announced that you need to be very familiar with the technologies where they can, even if you want to take an admission, जैसे मैं बात करती हूँ, अगर आपको कोई right university और campus choose करना है, you can have Zoom sessions, WebEx, go to meetings, such sessions with the faculty or with the lecturers there in Canada. You can ask your queries to the team there and then try and decide which university you would like to go on. क्योंकि हम जो स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन है कि हमें कनाडा का क्या ड्रीम बंद कर देना चाहिए, वो नहीं करने की जरूरत है. We still can be an international student. We still can take our visas, but this is the only temporary effects जहाँ पे visas को shut down किया गया. But then there are another programs deliveries now. Government ने किसी और तरह से programs को इंडिया में deliver करना शुरू किया है, which I will just discuss about. Generally, while schools across the country are closed right now, all across in India as well as in Canada, American states, schools, colleges are closed where the students are not able to be a regular student. जहाँ पहले देखा जाता था कि अगर आप बहुत सारी स्टडीज को ऑनलाइन लेते थे और अपनी स्कूल टर्म्स को खराब करते थे, यू नो यू वर नॉट बीइंग रेगुलरली अटेंडिंग द स्कूल्स, योर वीजाज वाज अ प्रॉब्लम. उसमें वीजाज में रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगा दी जाती थी. बट नाउ द सिचुएशन हैज बीन ऑपोजिट. अब अगर आप ऑनलाइन स्टडीज ले रहे हो एंड you've accepted, you've taken the credits, because 90% of the campuses in Canada has started the online programs now. They are delivering the programs in your home country. You only need to be familiar with the technologies. आप इंडिया में बैठ के अपने programs को शुरू कर सकते हो, and by the time the situations will go off for the COVID-19, you can attend the campus regularly there in Canada and you can apply your visas positively. So the government has accepted this process. They have announced this process अगर आप अपना स्टडी करना चाहते हो फ्रॉम एनी कैनेडियन यूनिवर्सिटी और पब्लिक कॉलेज, you can start the program online now. They are delivering the programs in your home country through many different core colleges. They've made the sources also, or you can do it sitting at home. आप अपना प्रोग्राम academical पार्ट्स को शुरू कीजिएगा, कर सकते हो अभी, और once the visas options will be open, you can then travel late. The online studies has become a trend. We always talk about the online studies. People never used to believe on that online studies would be successful or not. Now the government himself has announced that they will be accepting the online credits. Whosoever is doing whatever studies in India online will be accepted as a regular student. So it's a good news for all of you, whosoever wants to study in Canada, who dreams to be in Canada. Even the postgraduate work permits, if we talk about, there are news on the government sites as well, if you may have gone through. जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा अभी तक, for their knowledge I'm informing anybody who is eligible for post graduate programs and doing online programs in India. जो बच्चे ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, क्या वो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट्स के लिए एलिजिबल होंगे कनाडा में? ये हर कोई बच्चा हमसे पूछता आके दैट विल आई बी एबल टू गेट वर्क वीजाज देयर फर्दर, क्योंकि मैं ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं एक्सेप्ट होगा या नहीं होगा. बट द गुड न्यूज इज एनीबडी हु इज इवन डूइंग ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम्स, दे आर accepted to apply their postgraduate work permits there. 2 साल का 1 साल का जो बच्चों को स्टूडेंट्स को वो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट्स मिलते हैं. Every student who's doing online studies now are eligible for these programs, for these work visas, which is a good news. अब हम ऑनलाइन करने के बाद भी स्टडीज को इस अपने वीजाज को, वर्क वीजाज को सिक्योर कर पाएंगे, which is the best thing I think for the students, to make them feel secure कि वो अपने ड्रीम्स को बंद ना करे कनाडा में पढ़ने के. इट शुड बी कंटिन्यूज इन प्रोसेस. तो उन्होंने कुछ लिवरेज दिया है स्टूडेंट्स को जो इंडिया में बैठे हैं, जो अदर स्टेट कंट्रीज में बैठे हैं. अगर आप अपना कोर्स को ऑनलाइन शुरू कर रहे हो, यू आर एलिजिबल टू गेट इनटू पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क वीजा. आई थिंक हैप्पी न्यूज फॉर एवरीवन, बिकॉज हर कोई पूछता था कि क्या हमें वो बेनिफिट्स मिल पाएंगे जो एज अ रेगुलर स्टूडेंट, या हमारा 1 साल वेस्ट हो जाएगा जो हम ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड न्यूज. Everybody whosoever is planning for Canada, whosoever was planning for Canada last year, should not drop your ideas, should not drop your dreams studying there. आज भी हम ऑनलाइन इसमें एडमिशंस को सिक्योर करके अपने वर्क वीजास को भी सिक्योर कर पाएंगे. The future situations are, nobody knows right now when is this pandemic going to be over, but I'm sure that this is my personal ideas that Canada is not going to be regular in September intakes as well. And I think not even in January they are prepared for. So why to waste time sitting at home? I think this is the right time when you are self-isolated. You should start your studies. You should take applications, start your studies, and then secure your seat, secure your some months. जिससे शायद आपको, because what best is happening right now, अगर आप ऑनलाइन डिलीवरीज में भी एडमिशंस ले रहे हो, द फीसेस आर वेरी लेस कंपैरेटिवली. सो दैट्स अगेन द लिविंग कॉस्ट हैज बीन गॉन जीरो, बिकॉज आप अपने होम पे बैठ के पढ़ रहे होगे. देयर इज नो नीड टू मेक लिविंग कॉस्ट देयर. सो दीज आर द गुड आइडियाज. आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट टाइम and let's attempt this. This is the Canadian policies. We'll discuss about new policies about the other countries as well in the next meetings. But as of now, Canada has said do not stop dreaming studying in Canadian campuses. They have just made it easier for you. Start your program online and then get your visas and secure your post-study work visas once the situation gets over. So I think this message was very helpful for you. In the meantime, you study about this on cic.gov.ca websites. It's a government website where I think you will get all this COVID-19 effects information list. Till then, we'll meet again. Take care. Bye-bye.